Good morning. Well, the Australian share market held on to its fresh record high yesterday after it closed 0.1% higher or 4 points up, closing at 6,851 points. But today the futures are suggesting another sluggish start, and that's really ahead of the November employment data being released at 11:30. The futures are currently suggesting a fall at the open of 0.2% or 13 points. So today all eyes will be on the ABS data, with the unemployment rate expected to remain on hold at 5.3%. While the market is also looking for 14,000 jobs to be expected to be added last month. The readings are particularly important as they feed into the RBA's tally of where the economy is at and whether it should cut rates or not. And of course, we know the RBA's objective is to get the unemployment rate closer to 4.5%. NAB was downgraded from a buy to a hold by Bell Potter following the company's AGM yesterday. Bell Potter also dropped its price target for the Big Four bank to $27.50, and yesterday NAB closed 0.7% lower after their AGM to $25.30. Yesterday, we saw a lot of companies hit new all-time highs or 52-week highs. In fact, Domino's hit a 52-week high yesterday. CSL, Origin Energy, JB Hi-Fi, Fisher & Paykel, Seek, ResMed, Moelis, Ansell, Brickworks and Ingenia. So it'll be interesting to see if they push up and or maintain these levels. US stocks were trading at fresh record highs, with the S&P 500 initially rising for the sixth straight day before ending virtually flat, while the Dow Jones ended slightly lower, 0.1% lower overnight to 27 points lower in the red. The Nasdaq, meantime, bucked the trend, rising 0.1%, and gains were largely kept under wraps in the US as investors really await further detail for the Phase 1 China trade deal. Also, plus the shipping company FedEx reported weaker than expected earnings, but flagged that it could outpace its competitor Amazon in fiscal 2021. Over in Europe, stocks closed mostly lower, really on the back of the revived no Brexit fears. The Stock 600 fell for the second straight day, only falling slightly though, while London's FTSE rose about 0.2%, and the French and the German index closed lower as well for the second straight day. Over in Asia, Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose slightly, 0.1%. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.6%, with Japanese exports falling for the 12th straight month, although exports didn't fall as much as expected. Let's check out commodities and the dollar. Gold lost a bit of steam compared to yesterday. It's now $1,476 an ounce. The oil price rose slightly overnight. It's holding on to its 3-month high of $60.96, while the iron ore price is trading lower at $93.07, and the Australian dollar trades at 60.5 US cents. Thanks for your company. Have a great day. Happy trading.